Now next condition is when two diagonals and three sides are given to us. In such a condition, when these five informations or measurements are given, then how to draw a quadrilateral. First of all, what we'll do is we'll draw one diagonal with the help of scale. Then we'll draw the three sides or at least two sides with the help of compass. We can draw all the three sides also at the same time. And then we will draw the second diagonal. And the last one we have to just join the sides to complete the figure. Let's see one example here. A quadrilateral is given whose name is gold. Here 5 measurements are given: OL, GL, GD, LD, OD. But we don't know which two are the diagonals. So first let's try to make a rough sketch of the quadrilateral. Write the name in cyclic order, GOLD. Now here let's write what is given to us. First one is OL, so this is OL, which is 7.5 centimeter. This rough sketch will help you draw it correctly. GL, so this is GL, which is one of the diagonals, and this is given 6 centimeter. Next is GD. GD is this side, which is again 6 centimeter. The next information is LD. LD, this is 5 centimeter, and OD, this is OD, the second diagonal, which is going to be 10 centimeter. So which are the two diagonals? This one is a diagonal and GL, this is the diagonal. So we should write it so that we know which one or where to start from. We will start from one of the diagonals. So let's draw GL. You have to draw, this is again a rough sketch. First you will draw GL. Its measure is given 6 centimeter. So this 6 centimeter, don't forget to mark the points G and L, because we have to draw our sides from here. Now from G you get two sides, GL and GD, and from L you have 3 places where you can see L. OL, here also GL, and here also LD. So 3 sides we can make from point L. So from here we will make our 3 sides. 1, 2 and third one is here. And from G we will get one side. So we will draw from G one side, GD, which is 6 centimeter. But this you have to draw with the help of scale. So let this point be D. We don't know it will be here or not. So this is marked. GD is already marked. GL we started with. Now from LD. So this side. This is LD. This will be 5 centimeter. And GD we had drawn. Its measure should be 6 centimeter. But these sides we have to draw with the help of compass. Now from LD 5 centimeter is drawn. Coming to OL. L, which is 7.5. So from L we will draw one line which will be 7.5 centimeter. But we are not going to draw the line. We are going to make an arc with the help of compass, whose radius will be 7.5. This is a rough figure which tells you somewhere here we are going to have our O. Now this measurement is not given, but what is given is the diagonal from O and D. As you can see here, OD is 10 centimeter. So take a measure of 10 centimeter radius, and when you draw an arc, it will join at this place here. This we are not going to make with the help of scale, remember. So here we will get our O. So first diagonal, then 2 sides, one from G, one from L, then third side also from L, and the fourth one is the diagonal from point D, that is 10 centimeter. And after getting point O, we will join this. That's the last step. This is how we will draw. So let's see how to construct it. First of all, we will draw GL. GL is 6 centimeter. So take a line segment which is 6 centimeter long and name it G and L. Now, from our rough figure we can see from G we have to draw a 6 centimeter arc. So take a measure of 6 centimeter on your scale. It should be in centimeter. From G you will make an arc of radius 6 centimeter. Somewhere here you are going to get your point D. Don't know where. It can be here, anywhere on this arc. Referring to your rough figure, you can see LD is 5 centimeter. So take a measure of 5 centimeter on your scale. In centimeters, don't forget that. So take a measure of 5 centimeter and from L make an arc of radius 5 centimeter. So where these two arcs meet, we got our point D. From L downwards, we have to make another line segment. So we cannot directly make a line segment, but we know we have to draw of 7.5 radius. So measure it 7.5. This is how you have to measure 7.5 from 0. And from L, draw an arc whose radius is 7.5. Now here we are going to get our point O somewhere. We don't know where. Somewhere here. Now from D to O, we have a measure 10 centimeter, OD. So take a measure of 10 centimeter on your compass. And then keeping it at O, make an arc and see where it joins. It's not joining, so we need to extend our arc which was here. From O to D, this arc, we have to extend it further so that we get a point of intersection. Okay. So this is the point of intersection. This is our O. When we got these points, now we will join. G, D was one side, DL is the second side. This is where the two arcs are meeting. You can extend the arcs further and see clearly. Join L and O. And the fourth side, which was not given, will join this also. And you can see GOLD is our quadrilateral. Now we will draw the diagonals, we will write the measure of its side. Don't forget that is important. So this is 6 centimeter. GD was also 6 centimeter. You can always refer to your rough figure, that will help you a lot. But draw the rough figure correctly. This was 7.5 centimeter. This side is not given, so we will not write. You can measure and write if you want to. This is the second diagonal which was given to you, and this diagonal is 10 centimeter. So write that as well. This is the required quadrilateral.